Hi everyone. We remember relatively lesser of what we read, hear, and see as compared to what we ourselves speak or write down or actually practice or do ourselves in a routine. This is because the first three components are passive, while the latter three belong to the active learning mode. Passive mode includes you attending lectures of your professors, just following them meticulously, writing down everything without thinking much about it, abiding and just absorbing indiscriminately. Here you put yourselves in the passive mode. It's based on the assumption as if you're an empty vessel waiting to be filled. However, we know for sure this is never the truth. The fact actually is that we know something, and all the incoming information must be critically analyzed, questioned, evaluated, and finally accepted if we are really convinced and appealed by it. Research shows that we actually enhance our knowledge by connecting or integrating the new material with what we already know and have already experienced. This is termed active learning approach. This empowers the person to listen to their professors keenly, choose what to write, think about the concepts presented, analyze and evaluate them, discuss about these with the professors and the peers, and the most important thing is that keep your focus on enhancing your knowledge and understanding much more than just fetching good marks. This approach empowers you and adds immense value to your personality and competence, which is what eventually matters in life. For this, rather than being driven by others, you have to take the charge of your lives and remain constantly engaged with what, how, and why of what intrigues you. Take the responsibility of your mission, goals, roadmap, and journey on your own shoulders, which in turn makes them stronger and more worthy. Explore and question and reflect everything you are told. Make it your principle. Associate every new learning with something you knew earlier and practice critical thinking. Get back your attention to the here and now whenever you get distracted and as many times as you get distracted. Always reshift your focus to the present moment. Making a learning community, availing all opportunities of giving presentations whenever possible, and leading while supporting each other gets great dividends for one and all. While passive learners can just manage to define, enlist, narrate, and nothing more. At the same time, active learners who are using their brains all the time, they keep themselves engaged and engrossed with the things they study all the time. So, the fruit is that they can describe, explain, handle cross-questioning, address troubleshooting, create, collaborate, practice, apply, review, and even evaluate. Isn't it fantastic? So guys, after knowing the powerful perks of active learning mode, just take a plunge into it, enrich and even transform your lives. We thank you for watching our videos. Keep following our tips and achieve abundance. See you next week, same time in this playlist of self-improvement. Till then, take care and bye.